ChatGPT got a way more useful. Here's what you need to know about its new AI agent feature. OpenAI has rolled out a new upgrade to ChatGPT. It is not just smarter, it is capable than ever. This feature is now available to ChatGPT Pro, Plus, and Team users. This allows AI to perform real tasks on behalf of your virtual computer than your browser. That means you can go beyond asking questions and really get things done. What it can actually do is plan a trip, build a slide deck, or even log into a website to collect information. ChatGPT Agent can now handle the whole workflow with your permission. What is ChatGPT Agent? It is an AI-powered assistant which can actually use a browser and run code, download files, and even fill out forms. This agent takes a single instruction and carries out multi-step instruction and action autonomously. Some of the example what it can actually do is it can review your calendar, summarize your meeting plans, or even plan a dinner for you, or buy groceries, or also compare products online to check better results. Yes, it can log into websites, but with your permission, of course. OpenAI always emphasizes the real users to be in action. It will always require your approval before doing anything sensitive action. OpenAI has built a several layer security to build the AI agent. That includes always on monitoring, refusal training on high risk prompts. The system is designed to reject malicious instruction which are very effective. It refuses tasks like phishing, scrapping, or any kind of sensitive actions. OpenAI is prioritizing caution over capability, even when there is no evidence of harm. So, how do you use the ChatGPT agent? If you are a Pro, Plus, or a Team user, you can turn it on by the Tools menu Agent. Once active, you'll see it carry out steps step by step using a virtual browser in the background. You can follow along, let it run, and check whenever it needs input or confirmation. Agent represents a shift from AI assistant to AI agent, capable of researching, reasoning, and shift in the real time. Instead of asking ChatGPT to how to do things, instead now you can ask it to do it for you. OpenAI now calls this an early step with more features and autonomy coming soon.